The new Royal Alberta Museum features a wide variety of items for attendees to marvel at, but in the human history section, there is something that might stand out for some people, a totem pole that was formerly located in front of CTV Edmonton, but this totem pole isn't alone. There is another totem pole in the city of Edmonton, and both of them do happen to share a colorful past. Underneath this white covering is the Sunwapta totem pole, which was carved in North Saanich, British Columbia. After years of being battered by the elements, it is due for a refurbishing.
I got in touch with Doug LaFortune to ask his permission to do this. If I could renovate his totem pole, restore it to his exact specification.
John Hansen is a former NAIT grad who has undertaken the extraordinary task of refurbishing the totem. The totem stands at 23 feet tall and has a wingspan of 16 feet. After consulting with the original carver, John will repair the totem using specialty products.
It's a commercial product, a wood epoxy that's commercially available. It comes in a liquid form, and pardon me, it can be injected into some of the knots and some of the open spots like you see here. And it can also be thickened with sawdust mixture.
The epoxy will only stay liquid for about an hour, and John has to fill every crack individually. He hopes the finished totem will be as impressive as the one in the museum. For NAIT Newswatch, I'm Ryan Cavani.